Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix D3DX9_40.dll not found or missing on your PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest you to do here is simply just restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then what I suggest you to do here is to open up your browser, look for DirectX, probably it will be the first link here. Then hit download and you will have a setup and install it on your computer. Right, super fast and easy. I accept the agreement, hit next, select this option and look if after it is installed, look if the problem persists or not. And if you're experiencing this problem with the game, what I suggest you to do here is to open up your game client, for example Steam, then go to library, right click on the game, go to properties, verify integrity of the game files. So maybe your game files is corrupted, and then hit browse and then look for exe file, right click on it, then go to properties, compatibility, and make sure these two options is not selected, right? And apply the changes. And then if the problem persists, I highly advise you just go to installed apps and just reinstall the game. Just look for the game, hit burger menu and uninstall. And still, after you install the game, the problem persists, open up CMD, right click on it, run as admin, and then you just need to write cfc/scan now, right? And what it does, basically, it will check all your files on your computer and it will fix your files if there is some corrupted ones. So you just need to wait until verification process hits 100 and then restart your computer, right? And if it's not the case, then the last thing that I suggest you to do here is to update your operating system and your GPU drivers. To do so, you just need to go to settings, then Windows Update and hit check for updates or install all here and restart your computer. Same thing with your GPU drivers, depending on what GPU you're using. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is GeForce Experience, free app you can download completely for free on the official NVIDIA website. Go to drivers, check for updates and install them all if there is some. If you're using EMD, I believe there is EMD ready into that. And also you can just open up Device Manager, and on Device Manager, expand display adapters and right click on your GPU and install drivers here. And after you apply all these methods, don't forget to restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.